Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to be eating seeds today. Well, no, not just be eating seeds today, but I'm just going to show you. Oh, and I'm at my auntie Courtney's house. I'm about to show you what I do at my auntie Courtney's house. So I'm just recording, eat seeds, and then I make it down here. Oh wait, I'm gonna make it down here. That's my seat right there. Right there. You see all those seeds? That is all seeds, guys. So, yeah. Guys, oopsie, by the way. But what if I made it down there though? Say hi.
She said, what the hell is that?
Say hi.
Oh!
Marty, she's Sarah, he's gonna go out in a minute.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Why is this movie funny?
Oh, and we're watching Medea Book 2, so I'm gonna go back out here. Guys, these are the best, but usually I'll definitely get the ranch. I don't think I can see, but there's like it's like cats over there. Yeah, y'all won't be able to see.